This is Lesson 8, Minor Suit Openings, Responses, and Rebids. A quick review. Opening one club or one diamond promises 12 to 21 high card points, a 4-card or longer diamond suit, a 2-card or longer club suit. Both bids deny holding a 5-card major. Both bids also deny being able to open one no trump. When partner opens a minor, our bidding priorities change too. 8-card fit in a major is always priority 1. For that to happen, we have to bid a 4-card major as first priority. Absent a major, we try to bid no trump. Sometimes no trump isn't possible. That's when we raise partner's suit as last priority. Some novices have a fear of no trump, so they reverse the last 2 priorities and raise the minor when they shouldn't. In general, we bid our 4-card suits up the line. That would say that with this first hand, we would bid diamonds first. That's true if responder has a game-going hand, but with less than game-going hands, we usually skip the diamonds and bid the lowest major, hearts. If we have a 5-card suit in there anywhere, we always bid our longest suit first. When we have 2 5-card suits, we always bid the higher ranking first, just like we did with the majors. It doesn't matter how strong those suits are. Let's bid these hands. Over partner's 1 club opening, the first hand, 14 high card points, game going hand. Yes, bid the diamonds. We want all the description we can get. On the second hand, 9 high card points. Now's the time to skip diamonds, even though they're a good suit. Respond 1 heart. Third hand, same thing. Skip the diamonds and respond 1 spade. Last hand, bid 1 diamond, our longest suit. Absent the 4-card major, we prefer to bid no trump. Over 1 diamond, the first hand is balanced with stoppers in the majors. It looks no trumpy, so respond 1 no trump. Over 1 club, that second hand also looks like no trump, so bid a no trump. But the third hand, with a diamond void, that does not look no trumpy. Now's the time to raise clubs. Let's look at some more hands. Over partner's 1 club opening, first hand, 5-card major, takes priority, bid 1 heart. Second hand, definitely looks no trumpy, bid a no trump. Third hand, a little tougher. With weakness in the other suits, I might raise clubs here. Over partner's 1 diamond opening, first hand, we've got a 4-card major, bid 1 spade. Second hand, 14 high card points, definitely game going, no 4-card major, bid that game 3 no trump all day long. Now let's talk about rebids over a minor suit opening. They're very similar to rebids over a major, with the same alternatives. Rebid our own suit, raise partner's suit, bid a new suit, and bid no trump. First example, we are responder holding this hand. Partner opens 1 club, and we respond what? We respond 1 diamond. Partner rebid 1 heart. What's our bid? With a game going hand and spades stopped, 3 no trump becomes our obvious choice. Let's take a minute to describe partner's overall hand. It's a thinking exercise. Her one club opening bid promised what? One of two things. Either she has no 5 card major, or her clubs are longer than her major, like 6-5. Her one heart rebid obviously shows hearts, but what does it say about her overall hand strength? Look at the bottom of the slide. She rebid one heart, not 2 hearts, which would have been a jump shift, showing a 19 to 21 hand. Her hand is limited from 12 to 18 points. Now notice she passed our 3 no trump bid. What does that say about her strength? If she was on top, around 18 points, she might have investigated slam. Since she didn't, that puts her down into probably a minimum opener hand, 12 to 15 points. We have to take all the bids together to describe partner's hand accurately. There's lots more informational available about this hand than that she opened one club and then rebid one heart, showing clubs and hearts. Here is opener's hand in red. That 12 to 15 point clubs and hearts description is confirmed here. Let's have partner make that jump shift, 2 heart bid now. What requirements does that put on us? Jump shifts by opener promise a maximum opening 19 to 21 hand and are forcing to game or higher. Notice I bypassed 2 no trump and with a game going hand bid 3 no trump, which shows 13 or more points. Here is partner's hand in red. Let's do the math. Her 19 to 21 plus my 13, that's looking like 32 or so combined points. Will partner bid again? And if so, how? Partner should investigate slam. We haven't studied any of the ace-asking bids yet, Gerber or Blackwood, but bidding one level above game has to mean something, and it does. It's just like opening 1 no trump and responding 4 no trump instead of 3 no trump, saying, partner, I'm interested in slam. What do you think? And 4 no trump, one level above game, is used here too. Now let's become south. Do we accept the invite? I did. Let's count winners in our 6 no trump contract. 3 spades, 2 hearts, 5 diamonds, and 2 clubs. That's 12 tricks. 6 no trump is cold to make. Here's a new example. A different opener hand, but same responder hand. How should the bidding go? With 20 high card points and balanced, partner should open 2 no trump. What will responder bid? With the 4 card major, responder would use Stamen, 3 clubs, back to opener. And opener will bid her major, 3 hearts, responder. I hope you didn't say 4 hearts. Her 20 points plus my 14 is 34. Small slam, at least bid 6 hearts. Here's a new example. We're the opener. What do we open? With 14 high card points and 6 clubs, we'll open a club. And responder bids 1 heart. What will our rebid be? We'll rebid 2 spades, our own suit, promising what? 6 clubs, a minimum of 12 to 15 opening hand, and no ability to raise partners' hearts. Partner now rebids 2 diamonds. What does that show? She bid twice, hearts, then diamonds. 2 bids implies a medium responder hand of 10 to 11 or a bad 12, with hearts longer than diamonds, probably 5-4. Let's change her rebid to pass. How will that change your overall hand? Now it looks like 4 hearts and 6 to 9 points only. Here is responder's hand. Is the bidding so far an accurate description of that hand? Why didn't she bid diamonds up the line and then bid hearts? With a 6 to 9 hand, she had strength for one response. To bid diamonds, then hearts, implies a stronger hand. Let's explore this a little. Let's say she responded 1 diamond, then over your 2 club rebid, she rebids 2 hearts. Her second suit is higher than her first. Yes, this looks like a reverse, and it is a responder's reverse, which promises a game-going hand, as well as 5 diamonds and 4 hearts, first suit longer than second suit. All the same requirements as an opener's reverse, except that it only promises a game-going hand. Now, with this 6-point hand, do you really want to force partner to game? I didn't think so. 1 heart response, then pass. That's what's correct. One final example. We're a responder holding this hand. Partner opens 1 diamond, and our response is, with 9 points and a 4-card major, we respond 1 spade. Partner rebids 2 clubs. Our turn. Partner has bid 2 suits, diamonds and clubs. She obviously doesn't like our spades because she didn't raise them. She is asking us which of her 2 suits we prefer. Holding 3 length in each minor, we generally go back to her first suit. Why? Because it's entirely possible she has 5 diamonds and 4 clubs, but almost impossible for her to have 5 clubs and 4 diamonds. She would have opened 1 club. I've started creating and emailing to you bidding review sheets to practice your bidding. So far, I've sent out 2 sheets, bidding review J1 and bidding review R1. It won't take a lot of imagination to figure out what the J and the R stand for. Expect to get more bidding reviews in the future. This is my way of making you go back and review material from earlier lessons, like Stamen and transfers. We will have a 13th lesson on May the 6th. It's an important topic to discuss, one I couldn't fit into the 12-week schedule we're using. It's about bidding big hands like 22 points and larger.